The first time I had the idea to use improv comedy principles to help people in their work life and their life, I knew that I had to use the old adage in startups, jump before you're ready and find the ground as you're falling. I sent out a text just in a couple group chats that said, I'm going to be doing an improv comedy workshop for entrepreneurs. Please come. That text was sent on a Thursday and my workshop I scheduled for Saturday. When people started RSVPing, I had no idea what I was going to do in that workshop. But I knew that I had 3 days, and in those 3 days, I figured out something to do. Our workshop lasted 2 hours, and honestly, looking back, it was terrible. We would do a traditional improv exercise, and then when I would ask them what their communication lesson was, they stumbled through it because it really just wasn't clear. I didn't adjust any of the exercises from pure improv exercises into communications exercises to help people become more comfortable with innovation, with new ideas, with each other. That one workshop, though, was incredibly helpful. There was a CEO of a local company that was in that first workshop, and that CEO became our first paying client. It doesn't always work out that perfectly, but if you continuously put yourself out there, the opportunities start to come your way. I know personally I have far less regret trying something and it not working, learning through that process versus never taking even the first step. You don't have to have everything lined up to take that first step. What's your first step?